Gardeners is an AR gardening game. Here we see a player entering his garden. After the application places the garden using plane detection and possibly cloud anchors, we can see that one of the flowers, the sunflower, is mimicking its real-life behavior and turning towards the biggest light source. This is done by using light estimation in the application. Not all flowers will behave like this. The game contains multiple minigames, such as chores and multiplayer games. Here we see a player taking care of his plants by picking up a watering can, and then going over and actually watering them by bending over with the camera. Sometimes the player will need to take care of time-sensitive events, such as a mole infestation. Uh-oh, moles have come to destroy your garden. Quickly press on the dumb moles and make them disappear. But be careful, if you press one of your flowers, you're gonna destroy them instead, and then who is the bad guy really? Players can gain new flowers in multiple ways as rewards in minigames, or as in this case, by drawing a specific flower with a specific color. And then the app uses image tracking basically to replace that image with a virtual version of the plant, which the player can then place in their garden as such. Look at that happy plant. Finally, let's show off a multiplayer game. Here we have a second player joining the first player's garden, and this is enabled using cloud anchors. And the goal of this minigame is to find and snap a picture of a cute little ladybug. You need to get down on your knees and get real close to the garden, because you're not going to be able to see it otherwise. And there it is. The ladybug is found.